Welcome, folks, to another episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm your host, Eric Goettl. Today, we're going to be diving deep into Goettl's total home rejuuvenation. Let's get started. First, let's talk about your lifeline during the scorching summer, your air conditioner. Goettl's expert technicians go the extra mile, performing 6 critical checks on your AC unit. They lubricate moving parts, verify the thermostat settings, tighten electrical connections, inspect the condensate drainage, check refrigerant levels, and more. This is more than your basic tune-up. Our expert techs leave no stone unturned to ensure your AC runs at peak performance. Now let's switch gears to those frosty winter nights. Goettl offers comprehensive range of services for your heating systems. Goettl experts will inspect, fine-tune your furnace. They clean, lubricate crucial components, adjust, test, safety controls, and more. For your heating system, they inspect electrical connections, air filters, and thermostats, ensuring your home remains comfortable all year round. And don't forget, they're your go-to team for quick and effective heat pump repairs, from fixing worn-out parts to adjusting thermostat settings. Now, plumbing, the unsung hero of your home. Goettl understands its importance and offers a wide range of plumbing maintenance services. Regular maintenance for water pipes, components, and fixtures is essential to keep your home running smoothly, avoiding unnecessary stress and expenses. Last, but certainly not least, your trusty water heater. It's easy to forget about until it's too late. Goettl certified technicians offer tailored water heater maintenance schedules. They inspect the unit thoroughly, checking for corrosion, leaks, faulty components. They'll clean the tank and heating elements to prevent damage. They'll flush the tank to remove sediment buildup and inspect for leaks or potential leaks. And remember the anno rod. Inspection is crucial, preventing corrosion within the tank. Goettl technicians will assess its condition and recommend a replacement if necessary. That's all for today's extended episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips. Remember, rejuvenated home is a happy home.